Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I am so excited to be trying out the Anastasia Beverly Hills Matte Mini Lipstick in the shade Dead Roses that I just got in my September 2021 Ipsy Glam Bag. I love the brand Anastasia Beverly Hills. I've tried out a lot of products because I got the, BoxyCharm Premium Box that was all Anastasia Beverly Hills recently, and that was so much fun for me. And I can't believe I have not tried out the Anastasia Beverly Hills matte lipstick. I've tried out liquid lipsticks and lip glosses, but not this one yet, and I'm so excited about it. I also love this little mini version. I think this is perfect. It seems like it'll be like easy to get an accurate shape, and I never go through an entire full-size lipstick, so this is actually perfect for me. It's so cute. And I'm so excited to see what this shade looks like. And by the way, this has a retail value of $18. The full size, not this mini one. So first, let's go for a swatch. Oh my gosh, so creamy and such a pretty shade. Like a mauve berry shade that I think is going to be perfect for the fall and winter, which is seriously right around the corner. A great pigment, great creamy texture. Let's go ahead and see how it looks on me. I did have to layer it up just like 2 layers to get the full opaque color. And it does look a little darker on me than I was expecting, but what do you think? I am pleasantly surprised by how flattering this actually looks on me. I think it's really pretty. I could see this being a very universally flattering shade. At first, I was a little worried that it was going to be dry and uncomfortable on my dry, chapped lips because it was clinging to the dry patches a little bit, but then I just rubbed my lips together and it is actually very creamy. It has the texture pretty much of a lip balm, and it looks completely smooth and even on my lips now. So it's actually a very comfortable and moisturizing matte lipstick, like a beautiful formula. It looks so good on the lips. It really is more of a velvet lipstick, I would say. Yeah, it's called the matte lipstick, but to me this is more velvet. It doesn't have like a super matte finish to it, but wow, very pretty. I'm so interested to see how much transfer there is. Oh my gosh, that is way less transfer than I was expecting, considering how creamy it feels on the lips. Wow, and okay, let's see, did it fade? Oh my gosh, not at all. So pigmented that it is still fully beautifully intact. Wow, this is such a gorgeous formula. Oh, I want this in other shades. If you have any recommendations of other shades, let me know in the comments down below. But oh my gosh, I am so excited to wear this very often throughout the fall and winter. And I didn't even plan to wear this maroon color with this lipstick, but it matches so well. So now I just really want to wear maroon outfits with this lipstick, and I am so excited about that look. Well, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.